This is a rotary tablet compression machine used in pharmaceutical manufacturing. The control panel is mounted on the side of the machine for monitoring and parameter adjustment. The feeder supplies powder uniformly into the die cavities. Finished tablets are guided out through the discharge chute. Compression roller columns apply controlled pressure on the punches. The headpiece supports the main compression assembly. It houses the punches and the rotating turret. The enclosed design ensures operator safety and dust-free operation by preventing direct contact with moving parts and minimizing powder dispersion during compression.